guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. Thank you so much to every single one of you who has clicked on today's video, always staying tuned in to the channel. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So I hope today's video is a very enjoyable video for you, and I'm actually thinking just now that I might be giving away a sneaker on this video just because I've had this pair of shoes and I've been wanting to give it away for a long time now, and hopefully next year or like this, 2023, because this video will be up before the end of the year, I would love to do something different for this upcoming year and maybe do some giveaways every other month. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss out and upload, because sooner than later one of those videos that are coming in the future will have another giveaway announced on it. So I suggest you don't miss out on that. And then lastly, of course, as I always say, go ahead and follow my Instagram account, because that is where I post a lot of things that make it to YouTube after they have been posted on Instagram. So with that out of the way, I will explain the giveaway item and the steps at the end of this video. So I wanted to make a video about the sneakers I have picked up for the month of December. These were all, I guess we can call them Christmas gifts, and this is from me to me, of course, and I'm pretty excited. I have worn only one pair out of the 4 that I will show you, so I'll go ahead and start with that one. So the first pair that I have right here is a pair of Reebok, and these are actually my very first pair of Reebok. I have never owned this brand in my life, but I've been having my eye on this specific pair for months. The box for this pair of sneaker is actually pretty cool if you ask me. It has the UK flag and then Reebok all over the box. And then right here you can see is a size 6 in men. I could have purchased probably a size 6.5, as these do fit a bit too exact. So I wish I had a little bit more room, but what I do is just wear thin socks and then we're good to go. Now, these shoes, like I said, I have worn them already, and I am pretty proud to announce that these are kind of my daily shoes, but these have also become my gym shoes, which they should not be gym shoes, because these are leather sneakers and they're already creased pretty bad. So let me go ahead and show you. Now this sneaker right here is one that I cannot recommend enough for you guys if you're in the market to add a very simple and staple sneaker to your collection. As you guys can see behind me, I do have a ton of shoes, but all of them I feel sometimes require for the outfit to be very simple and for the shoe to be the one that talks, basically. And for these shoes right here, it's more like the outfit does the talking and the shoe, it's kind of, just that additional piece to it. I don't own many white sneakers like this one, so I decided to go ahead and purchase this specific vintage model, because they do sell, as you know, another Reebok style, but it's actually white. This one here is more on the cream side, and that's actually the why I purchased it. The second reason I bought it is because the green splatters on the shoe are so minimal that you can barely notice it if you were to throw a baggy jean on top of this one, which is how I've been wearing them lately. I have seen other Reeboks that do have a lot of green on them, and I don't like that. So when I saw this one here, I pulled the trigger right away on the ASOS app. I think I ended up paying about $50 for them when they were retailing for about $90. So I did save myself about $40 on Black Friday. And then the inside of the sneaker, it is super soft. It does have this cloth like towel material here. It makes it very soft, and it does help with your foot not slipping out. Alrighty, now moving on to another pair of shoes. Now, Vans is a brand that I used to collect like hardcore. If you guys go to the very first videos in my channel, we're talking about like 2016, 2017, I believe there's still a video on my channel about my room tour, I think it's called. You will see there was an entire wall, and I would say 90% of the shoes on that wall were all bands. So I am getting back into bands, but I'm very specific on which ones. And this model here is one that I have always liked a lot. So let's go ahead and get these out. Again, these were purchased through the ASOS app on Black Friday. I ended up paying about $30, I believe. These were retailing for about $60, which I think is outrageous for bands. Again, I mean, I know they have always been a bit pricey, but now that I'm into different brands, I just can't justify paying $60, $70 for a pair of pants. Like, the moment you wear them, or the moment you take them out of the store, they lose their value by half, probably. So now, moving on to the last two pairs, and my favorite ones out of this entire haul. And I can't believe, the next pair I'm going to show you, I cannot believe I have this pair in my collection. So let me get into it. So I went ahead and placed a bid on StockX. I'll put the screenshot on the screen. And I ended up winning. Like, these shoes are so freaking good. Like, I can see where the hype is coming from. And as a matter of fact, as soon as I can, I will be placing another bid for the same amount for the same sneakers, because I would actually love to have a second pair. Now let me show you right here. These are the Sambas OG. I believe there are about two or three that look very, very similar, but the price is there is a massive gap between the 2 or 3 Sambas I've seen. I placed a bid for the cheapest Samba I saw. These were my only Adidas in my collection until these. So I just want to go ahead and show you the details of the sneakers. So the bottoms are so good. They feel like I'm not going to fall, like slip anywhere. They have a nice grip, and then they are so slim. They look so good with baggy jeans. Stay tuned to my Instagram, because I am definitely posting a reel, of course, doing the December pickups, and then I am going to do a how to style video for these shoes right here, or like an outfit of the day featuring these shoes, something along those lines. So just stay tuned to my Instagram if you want to see how I will be styling these right here. But for sure, I am planning to use a pair of baggy jeans with these because they look sick. Just want to give you a 360 right here. And then now the toe box, it is made out of suede, and again, toe boxes with suede, they look beautiful, but it is so risky to wear shoes that have suede in that area. But I'll just try to be careful as much as I can. And then we have the insole, which says Adidas right there. Alrighty, now let's move on to the next shoe because I don't want this video to be too long. Alrighty, now the next and last shoe. Yes, we have another Nike. We have another Nike shoe, okay? Now, this one right here, I bought it through the SNKRS app, which I want to get an amen and a hallelujah all the way to the back. You know what I'm saying? Because sneakers are sitting on the SNKRS app. I never thought I would live to see that, but I am so happy it's happening because there are about 6 pairs of shoes, counting Nike Dunk Highs and some pair of Air Maxes 1, that are sitting on the SNKRS app that I unfortunately don't have the money to purchase all 6 of them because that would be near $1,000, okay? And I have a mortgage to pay, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this colorway right here. Out of all of them, I think this one was a must-have. Of course, I wish to have them all, but I can't do that at once. So, yeah, now these, like I said, came directly from Nike, but I want your opinion in the comment section. the toe boxes look a bit weird, and I don't know if it's because maybe they packed it wrong. That's what I was hoping for. There are some stitching mistakes, paint mistakes, just a lot of stuff that I wouldn't expect from Nike. So I'm gonna start showing you everything, and then if you can do me the huge favor of leaving a comment down below and letting me know your thoughts about the shoes. I mean, I want to trust that they are original sneakers since they came directly from the sneakers app, but again, sometimes replicas do go by the hands of the bests and they still miss a couple stuff. So let's go ahead and talk about the sneaker. Now I'm gonna start with the toe box, which is like the thing that calls my attention the most. So let me see if I can do this properly. There we go. Alrighty, so I just think that the toe boxes look a bit weird, but then again, I'm unsure. Please go ahead and pause the video if you would like to analyze it a bit further. Some stitching and paint issues on the left shoe. So right here, hopefully my camera can focus. Right here we have some stitching mistakes. Right on this section right here, you can see there's like paint mistakes. Just trying to look for any other big discrepancies. And then same thing on the left shoe. Right here on the midsole, we do see some like paint scratches, I would say. I'm unsure, like paint peeling. Regardless of these somewhat minor issues on the sneakers, I gotta say, like the color is super cool. The white is not like a true white. It's more like a, I don't know, like a bone white. I'm not sure how to describe the color, but I'm pretty satisfied that it's not a true white like this right here, you know what I'm saying? So I do like they're giving me kind of like a vintage feel, and that's the reason why I bought them. And also because if you see behind me, I don't have any burgundy shoes. This actually is my first burgundy color sneaker, so you know, I had to add it to the collection. You already know. Alrighty, so as some of you may know, at least the OGs to the channel, I was planning to give away these shoes right here as soon as I hit 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube, but that won't be possible before the end of 2022. So what I've decided is to just go ahead and give these away as a thank you, you know, for such an amazing year. I believe this year we did over 140,000 views in the last 12 months, and I would say that was with me not being so present on the platform, at least the way I would have wanted it to be. So I'll make sure to work on that this new year. So this is just me, you know, showing to you guys that I am really appreciative of everything you guys do for me. You know, the leaving the likes, leaving comments, subscribing, turning on post notifications, and just interacting with my content here and on Instagram. So what I'm gonna do is, today is December the 20th when I'm recording this video. I believe this may go live tomorrow, December 21st. And if it doesn't go up tomorrow, Wednesday, it would be for sure Saturday, December 24th, which is the day before Christmas. So whenever I post this, I do want to wish you a happy Christmas and of course a happy New Year. So if you want to go ahead and win these shoes right here, I will be putting on the screen all the steps, but as usual, you guys need to be subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on. You guys need to be following me on my Instagram account, and the last thing I would like for you guys to do is go ahead and leave a comment on this video right here, letting me know once you're done, you know, following the channel and the Instagram page, and letting me know for how long you have been subscribed to the channel, you know, and that's pretty much it. So with all of that out of the way, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace out.